Hi, today I'm going to share with you how to change the default currency in WooCommerce. So basically in WooCommerce, right, you want to show the currency of your country. So how do you do that? Basically, you go to Appearance, the theme file editor. Okay, go to your theme files. For me, I'm using this theme extra. So go to Teams functions. Okay. Before you did any editing in your functions.php file, do back up your website and your functions.php file as well. Copy this file into a notepad, save it as a backup, and yeah, do backup your website as well before you do any editing. Okay. Yeah. So basically, you scroll all the way down, functions.php file, your theme file, the current theme that you're using. Go to the bottom and then add this code, which I will put in the description in this video. Okay, add this code. So this code actually will change the symbol. For me, I will just change, for example, I'm based in Singapore. Instead of AUD, I'll just change this to SGD, Singapore currency. Okay, the AUD. Change the AUD to SGD. For US, you just type US instead of AUD. US. Okay, US. Okay. So basically, that's it. Maybe before I change, right? Let me just show you my current website. Okay, for example, you go to shop. Now, basically, there's no telling the customers, right, what currency is this. They see dollar, probably they thought it's US dollar, but actually I put it as Singapore dollar. So now I'm going to put the word SGD over here after I added the code. So let's see the difference after I added the code. So I basically added this code. So update the file. Okay, so this is for update. Then I refresh. There you go. My stores is now showing is SGD. So customers will know that this is actually Singapore dollars. Okay, Singapore dollars. All my prices are in Singapore dollars. Okay. So yeah, that's it. And if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and do share with others as well. This tip. So remember, it's actually in the functions.php file and add this code, which I'll put in the description. Okay. Bye.